the claim came out in 4 days. Means the first day we put in the claim, second, third, the check came out on the fourth day. So this is death claim number 1. Okay, I've taken out all their names from this. Why? I think anonymity is very important. This is one of my closest friends, one of my childhood friends. I can tell you the story. I knew her since I'm 16 years old. So when she was in KL, when we came to KL and worked, obviously the obvious choice that she's buy a policy with me. At first, the husband wants to buy everything. They got married, they want to buy everything. But yet again, we found out that actually since childhood, she has some problem with the kidney. Her kidney was producing more protein than ever. So the insurance company could not actually allow a straightforward standalone medical insurance or critical illness. So what they offered her is just a life insurance policy. This policy with loading some more because her kidney was not working very well. At the beginning, because of this case, we went through so much round of negotiation. At the end, after we negotiate, the insurance company agreed to let her buy a straightforward life insurance policy without any riders. Well, we thought that is better than nothing, right? So went back to talk to the husband. The husband said, okay. The wife said, okay. So my friend, which is the wife, bought the policy. The policy went on for 9 years without problem. They are happily married. They had children and all that. So one fine day, she was complaining to the husband. She's having dizziness and all these problems. And apparently her kidney actually causes a very high pressure that morning. Her pressure went up to 190, 200, very bad. It was very dangerous. You get a stroke anytime. The husband brought her to the hospital. The hospital went on and on. Then what happens is that because she didn't have a medical card, she worried that the private hospital is going to charge a lot. So at the end of the day, that's it. She decided to go home because she feels better. The sad part is this. In the evening, she passed away. Because her pressure came back up, the medicine didn't really work. One of the valves in her heart just burst. So when that happens, that shocked me because I was at home at 6, 7 o'clock. I was shocked. I went to the house and all that. Then she was there lying. So, well, things happens in life, right? But at that age, it's a bit young. And at that point, of course, we did the due diligence to claims and all that. What happens is that we put in the death claim second day of her demise, and we did what we call an express claim process because we know the family is not doing very well. So at the end of the day, what happens is this. The claim came out in 4 days. Means the first day we put in the claim, second, third, the check came out on the fourth day. I still remember very diligently that day because the check came out on the day when the funeral was happening. I waited until the funeral was over. I mean, the cremation and everything, right? I waited until the funeral was over. Then I passed a check to the husband of some amount of money that we are willing to pay for her. So let me just show you this. We have taken out all the names and contacts of this. So it was for about 77,000. Not a lot of money. Let me just put it this way. It's not a lot of money. But it helped the family. The husband was not very rich, of course. But it does help the family and give enough funds for the family to tie over, pay for funerals, and at the end of the day, make sure that the kids go to school, that the husband has enough money to give them a proper life, a normal life. I still see them now, every week, every other week. I still see them now, they're a family friend. And I can see that they're moving on pretty well. The children are very big, quite quite old already, like college. But what I want to tell you is this. If you have a health issue and the insurance company offer you something, you take it. Don't go and tell your agent, yo, this one no good. Your health no good. It's not insurance company no good. Your health has a problem. You must take it because you do not know when is your time coming up. You must take it. If let's say you have a problem, the insurance company offer you something, take it. So this story, this happens in my earlier career, and I knew that I have helped a friend, and I knew that I have actually helped a friend going through life. So that's my story for you today, for this first case. And I've helped a good friend going through life and help her children move on. I always tell my agents, when a client buy from you, they are just giving you a chance to prove yourself. It is not because you are so good in selling. It is just people wants to believe that you are good at what you do. But when the claim comes, that is your stage to perform. When the claims comes, I always tell my people, when the claims comes, you will do utterly everything that you can do to get it done. No compromise. There's no other thing about it. You will put every single sweat, blood, and passion to get a claim done for your clients. If you got a bank table with a claim officer, you will have the bank table. Because the essence of a good agent is in his service to his clients for the best interest of the client. That's it. Very simple. And whoever agent that can follow that rule will do very well because he is sincere and he is genuine.